Peace, love and light to my beautiful cosmic family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm back as promised with another video where I'll be talking about the next life path number, which is number 4. So let's get started. If you happen to be a life path number 4, more than likely you are practical when it comes to making plans. You are the type of individual who actually likes to read all the fine print because you love to stay ready so you don't have to get ready, which is quite understandable. And I need to take notes on that, okay? You are very reliable, dedicated, and prompt in everything you do. However, you are not one who likes surprises and change. You always want to control the outcome, which is why you need to learn how to manage and embrace change and trust the unseen. At heart, you are a true pessimist and you like to be prepared for anything. And you have the ability to protect, to put up strong boundaries as a way to protect yourself. And as you should, which is a good thing, but you still must learn to be more flexible and accept assistance from others. So it's okay to put your guard down sometimes, okay? I'm a very guarded person myself, depending on who's around me. And if you are someone that I really don't know, so it takes a little while to melt back or peel back the layers. I'm a very gradual person, okay? I'm not bougie. I could probably come off as being that, but more than likely, I'm just sitting back observing first, okay? Because I need to know what I'm getting myself into, okay, before I allow you into my personal space, if that makes sense. So I can dig it with life path number 4s. I understand wholeheartedly, okay? So if not mindful, your practical side doesn't always allow you to treat yourself to self-care. Also, despite your discipline, procrastination can be an issue for you, especially if you are a 13 over 4, which is the karmic debt attached to you. And if you don't know or remember what karmic debt is, please refer to an earlier video where I posted solely on that topic that focuses on what karmic debt is, okay? So feel free to check that out in your spare time, if you will, okay, or if you wish. Now, also, if you're a number 4, I've I've really got to be real with you, okay? You may be the kind of individual who has a big problem with being disciplined because you want to control everything and everybody, okay? Also, if your vibrational level is low, you can be very calculating and manipulating. So it's imperative that you keep your ego in check, okay? Now, 4s are usually naturally friendly, but you don't allow people to get too close to you. It is also important to show, your vulnerable side to be able to develop close relationships. So when you operate out of a plan of honesty, others, they'll know that they can trust you. Also, 4s usually land themselves in successful fields like education, business, healthcare, administration, construction, politics, and accounting. Okay. And also, 4s, the 4 is definitely the number of the builder. As long as you have a solid foundation, you'll be able, you'll be a happy trooper. Okay. In terms of health, you may suffer from stress, joint pain, migraines, intestinal issues or distress, back problems, obsessive compulsive disorder, or what we call OCD, including hypochondria. Okay, you could be a bit of a hypochondriac. So now, as a fun fact, when looking closely at the number 4, You can see it's made up completely of straight lines representing the need to maintain order and efficiency. Okay, wink, wink. Keep in mind to stay more flexible as long as you have, the healthy boundaries that you like to set, which are fine. You'll do just fine. All right. Lastly, let's take a quick glance at, famous people we know that are also number fours. And drum roll. I don't know how to do the drum roll, but okay. We're gonna keep it moving. Those individuals are Kate Hudson, Chris Tucker, Usher, and Will Smith. Now, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. And don't be cracking on me when it comes to my rendition of a drum roll because I suck at it, okay? But we're going to keep it moving. But anyways, that's all I have for you today. And as always, if you like or love the content that I've been sharing here on this channel, please feel free to hit the like button. Also, leave a positive comment if you wish. And I can always use a new subscriber because it's a way to show love, which I am highly appreciative of. And once again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug signing off for now. Peace and Ashe, my beautiful family. Until next time.